The AI gold rush is here, and I found 2 top stocks that could change your life. Imagine investing in the next big thing before it takes over the world. These aren't just any companies, they're titans leading e-commerce, social media, and AI hardware. Today, I'll break down why these are my top AI stocks to buy and hold forever. We'll dive into their financials, growth potential, and why the AI revolution is just getting started. Let's get into it. First up, Meta Platforms, ticker Meta. This company isn't just Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. It's the backbone of how billions of people connect, share, and communicate every single day. From the moment you wake up and check your notifications, to the late-night scroll through your feed, Meta's platforms are woven into the fabric of daily life for a huge portion of the planet. It's a global social media powerhouse with over 3 billion daily users, spanning every continent and culture. But Meta isn't just resting on its laurels, it's betting big on the future, pouring resources into artificial intelligence and the Metaverse, aiming to shape the next era of digital interaction. Every like, comment, and share on Meta's platforms generates a massive stream of data. This data is the fuel for one of the world's most advanced AI engines, constantly learning and evolving to make the user experience more engaging, personalized, and secure. Behind the scenes, Meta's sprawling data centers process trillions of interactions, training algorithms that power everything from content recommendations to safety features. Their ad business is a cash cow, using AI to connect advertisers with the perfect audience and driving massive revenue growth. Meta's sophisticated targeting tools allow businesses of all sizes to reach exactly who they want, when they want, with unprecedented precision. This has made Meta the go-to platform for digital advertising, generating tens of billions in annual revenue and funding its ambitious projects. But Meta's vision goes far beyond social media. Mark Zuckerberg is investing tens of billions into building the Metaverse, a bold new digital frontier where AI is at the core. Imagine a world where you can work, play, and socialize in immersive virtual spaces, seamlessly blending the digital and physical. That's the future Meta is building, and it's a vision that could redefine how we live and interact online. Meta's open-source Llama language model is a game-changer, accelerating global AI innovation and shifting value to the apps where Meta dominates. By making Llama available to developers everywhere, Meta is fostering a new wave of creativity and competition in AI, ensuring its platforms remain at the center of the digital ecosystem. AI is already transforming their platforms. Smarter recommendations, AI chatbots, and creative tools are boosting engagement and monetization. Whether it's suggesting the perfect post, helping creators reach new audiences, or powering virtual assistants, AI is making Meta's apps more useful and addictive than ever before. After a year of efficiency, Meta's profitability and free cash flow have surged, and the stock is rebounding. The company has tightened its belt, cut unnecessary costs, and focused on high-impact projects, resulting in a leaner, more resilient business that's delivering strong returns for shareholders. The Metaverse is a long-term bet, but Meta's Quest headsets and VR ecosystem are years ahead of competitors. With millions of devices sold and a growing library of immersive experiences, Meta is laying the groundwork for a future where virtual reality is as common as smartphones are today. Even if the Metaverse takes time to reach mass adoption, Meta's AI investments are paying off right now, improving ads, enhancing user experience, and opening up entirely new revenue streams. The company is constantly experimenting with new features, from AI-generated content to advanced shopping tools, keeping its platforms fresh and competitive. Risks? Of course, there are challenges. Execution on the Metaverse is far from guaranteed, and competition from TikTok and Apple is fierce. Regulatory scrutiny is intensifying, with governments around the world questioning Meta's influence in business practices. The company must navigate privacy concerns, antitrust investigations, and shifting consumer preferences, all while pushing the boundaries of technology. But Meta's resilience and financial firepower are unmatched. With a war chest of cash and a track record of adapting to change, Meta has the resources to weather storms and seize new opportunities. Its leadership team is focused, experienced, and unafraid to make bold moves. Their AI research lab, 𝗟𝗟, is world-class, ensuring Meta stays at the forefront of innovation. The breakthroughs coming out of 𝗟𝗟 are shaping not just Meta's products, but the entire tech industry, from natural language processing to computer vision and beyond. Next-gen hardware like Quest headsets and smart glasses will have built-in AI blending the digital and physical worlds. Imagine smart glasses that translate languages in real time, or VR headsets that adapt to your preferences and needs. These are no longer science fiction, but products in development today. The network effect is Meta's deepest moat. Billions of users, impossible for new entrants to replicate. Every new user, every new connection, makes the platform more valuable, creating a self-reinforcing cycle of growth and engagement that competitors can only dream of. Zuckerberg's long-term vision and willingness to make bold bets set Meta apart. He's not afraid to invest in moonshots even when the payoff is years away. That kind of leadership is rare, and it's a big reason why Meta continues to lead the pack. Meta is evolving from a social media company to an AI and Metaverse leader. The transformation is already underway with new products, partnerships, and technologies rolling out at a rapid pace. The open sourcing of Llama and deep AI integration are already bearing fruit. Developers around the world are building on Meta's technology, creating new applications and experiences that keep users coming back. Meta Platforms has firmly established itself as one of the largest players in the tech world, boasting a market capitalization of $1.85 trillion. The company delivered earnings per share of $28.29 paired with a lofty price-to-earnings ratio of 325.98. In 2024, Meta generated an impressive $164.5 billion in revenue and secured $62.36 billion in net income, reflecting the strength of its digital advertising dominance and growing ventures into the metaverse and AI. You get a dominant, profitable business plus a free call option on the future of AI and virtual reality. For investors, that's a rare combination: steady cash flow today and the potential for explosive growth tomorrow if the metaverse vision pays off. That's why Meta is my first pick. It's a company that's not just surviving the digital revolution, it's driving it, shaping the future of how we connect, work, and play. The risk-reward is compelling. Own the present, bet on the future. With Meta, you're investing in a company that dominates today's internet and is building the infrastructure for tomorrow's digital world. Let's talk about the company powering the entire AI revolution. Next is Nvidia, ticker NVDA. This company is the engine of the AI revolution. In the world of artificial intelligence, no company has become more synonymous with progress and innovation than Nvidia. What started as a graphics chip designer for gamers has transformed into the backbone of the most important technological shift of our era. Their GPUs power over 95% of AI workloads in data centers worldwide. From the largest tech giants to nimble AI startups, nearly every major breakthrough in machine learning and generative AI is running on Nvidia hardware. These chips are the workhorses behind the scenes, crunching massive datasets and enabling the rapid progress we see in AI today. Nvidia isn't just in the AI race, they're building the racetrack, the cars and the fuel. They design the hardware, create the software, and even set the standards that the rest of the industry follows. Their influence stretches from the factory floor to the cloud, shaping the very infrastructure of tomorrow's digital world. Their chips are essential for training and running the world's most advanced AI models, and demand is so high they can't make them fast enough. Every major AI lab from OpenAI to Google DeepMind is scrambling to secure Nvidia's latest GPUs. The supply crunch has made these chips as coveted as gold, and the company's manufacturing partners are working around the clock to keep up. Data center revenue is exploding, profit margins are sky high, and Nvidia has become a money-printing machine at the heart of the AI gold rush. Their financials are the envy of Silicon Valley, with each new quarter shattering previous records. Investors and analysts alike are stunned by the pace of growth, as Nvidia's chips become the most valuable real estate in the digital world. But Nvidia's real moat is software. CUDA, their programming platform, has locked in millions of developers and created a massive ecosystem. CUDA isn't just a tool, it's a language that the AI world speaks. This platform allows researchers and engineers to unlock the full power of Nvidia's hardware, and it's so deeply embedded that switching to a competitor would mean rewriting years of code and retraining entire teams. Even if competitors build faster chips, switching costs are enormous, giving Nvidia a durable edge. The ecosystem effect is real. Once you're in, it's nearly impossible to leave. This creates a powerful network effect, where every new developer and every new AI model makes Nvidia's platform even more indispensable. CEO Jensen Huang is a visionary, positioning Nvidia to dominate the AI era with relentless innovation. Under his leadership, Nvidia has consistently anticipated where technology is headed, investing in research and development long before competitors even see the opportunity. Huang's bold bets have paid off, turning Nvidia into a company that doesn't just follow trends, it sets them. The new Blackwell platform is a leap forward, enabling even larger and more complex AI models. With Blackwell, Nvidia is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in deep learning, making it feasible to train trillion-parameter models that were once the stuff of science fiction. This platform is already being adopted by the world's leading AI labs, setting a new standard for performance and efficiency. Beyond data centers, Nvidia powers autonomous vehicles, digital twins, and industrial metaverses with platforms like Drive and Omniverse. Their technology is at the heart of self-driving cars, smart factories, and virtual worlds, where engineers can simulate and optimize real-world systems. Nvidia's reach extends far beyond the cloud, touching industries from healthcare to manufacturing to entertainment. The market for AI hardware is massive, trillions in data center upgrades are coming, and Nvidia is set to capture a huge share. As companies and governments race to build out their AI infrastructure, Nvidia stands to benefit from a tidal wave of investment. The scale of this opportunity is almost unprecedented, with entire industries being rebuilt around AI capabilities. Risks, competition from AMD, Intel, and cloud providers, plus the cyclical nature of semiconductors. The chip industry is notorious for its booms and busts, and rivals are investing billions to catch up. But so far, no one has matched Nvidia's combination of hardware, software, and ecosystem. But Nvidia's software moat and AI demand are overwhelming. The sheer momentum behind their platform makes it difficult for even the largest competitors to gain meaningful traction. Developers, researchers, and enterprises are all doubling down on Nvidia, reinforcing its dominance with every new project. Nvidia is moving up the stack, selling entire AI systems, cloud services, and enterprise software for higher margins. They're not just a chip company anymore. They're becoming a full-stack AI provider, offering solutions that span from silicon to software to cloud infrastructure. This strategic shift is unlocking new revenue streams and making Nvidia even more indispensable to its customers. Financials are stunning: triple-digit revenue growth, software-like margins, and massive free cash flow. Wall Street has rarely seen a company scale this quickly while maintaining such high profitability. Nvidia's ability to turn innovation into cash is unmatched, and its balance sheet is a fortress. Investing in Nvidia is a pure-play bet on the AI revolution. If you believe in AI, you need exposure to NVDA. The company's stock has become a bellwether for the entire AI sector, and its performance is closely watched by investors around the globe. For many, owning Nvidia is the simplest way to participate in the explosive growth of artificial intelligence. Their position is so dominant, some call them the utility of the AI economy. Just as electricity powers the modern world, Nvidia's chips and software power the AI-driven future. Their products are becoming as essential to digital infrastructure as water and power are to cities. Don't be scared by the high stock price. Look at the fundamentals and the size of the opportunity. While the valuation may seem lofty, the company's growth trajectory and market dominance justify a premium. The real risk may be missing out on the next phase of the AI revolution. Sovereign nations are now building their own AI infrastructure, creating a whole new wave of demand for Nvidia's chips. Countries are investing billions to ensure they have access to cutting-edge AI capabilities, and Nvidia is at the center of these national strategies. This global arms race for AI hardware is only just beginning. In summary, Nvidia has a near monopoly on AI hardware, a deep software moat, visionary leadership, and is addressing a multi-trillion-dollar market. Their relentless focus on innovation and execution has put them years ahead of the competition, and their influence is only growing as AI becomes more central to every industry. That's why NVDA is my third and final pick. It's not just a stock, it's a stake in the future of technology, and a front-row seat to the AI revolution. While others compete to build AI apps, Nvidia sells the tools to all of them. Every new AI startup, every breakthrough in machine learning, every leap in robotics or automation, they all rely on Nvidia's technology to make it happen. It's the ultimate picks and shovels play for the AI gold rush. In every technological revolution, the biggest winners are often those who supply the tools, not just those who strike gold. Nvidia is selling the modern-day pickaxes and shovels to every AI prospector in the world. Nvidia continues to reign as a global leader in AI and semiconductor innovation. With a staggering market cap of $4.16 trillion, the company reported earnings per share of $3.54 and a price-to-earnings ratio of 48.24. Its 2024 results included $130.5 billion in revenue and $72.88 billion in net income, showcasing its profitability and market strength. The stock currently trades at around $170.78, which sits nearly 41% below its estimated fair value of $240.26, pointing to substantial growth potential if demand for AI and high-performance computing remains strong. Hold Nvidia, and you're investing in the engine of the AI revolution. As the world races to build smarter machines and more powerful algorithms, Nvidia is the company making it all possible. Let's wrap up. Here's what you need to know. Transition to final scene. There you have it, Meta, Nvidia, two AI titans set to dominate the next decade. These aren't just stocks, they're pillars of the future economy. The AI revolution is happening now, and these companies are leading the charge. Investing in them means owning a piece of the future. Which of these AI giants do you think has the most potential? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more investing insights. If you're enjoying these stock tips and you're ready to level up your investing skills, get the Value Stocks Investing Master Course. Link in the description. Want exclusive stock tips and in-depth analysis? Join the StocksGalore Patreon. link in the description. Thanks for watching.